Hello everyone, in this episode I would like to show you how to call the action group through the mobile phone app. Let's connect them first. Choosing my exam and click custom button, which is used to call the action group, and then you can see a window like this. In the previous session, we have already downloaded SideClip to the controller. Let's see how can we call it. After adding successfully, click the custom again. You can see SideClip in it. Let's see how it works. If you wanted to delete this session group, after long pressing, you can see like this. Okay, so much for today's introduction. If you still have any doubts, please feel free to let me know. Bye!